Strausak is a Swiss company proposing tool grinders. We are a part of the Rollomatic group. Our tool grinders are able to produce some special tools and do some resharpening jobs. We propose these grinders as universal machine, able to do various tool geometries. At this EMO 2017, we propose several new developments. One of them is an integration of a new robot, making the machine able to produce some large quantity of tools. We have also introduced new CX with direct drive, which makes the machine more performance, and we have new features on the high-frequency spindles.
Okay.